Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your Apple ID banner. This puts you directly in the right account context. Once done, scroll to and select Game Center to reveal notification controls. You need the device unlocked and signed into the Apple ID that runs Game Center, otherwise the toggles won't appear. If you have multiple Apple ID, pause and confirm the one shown matches your gaming account before proceeding to avoid changing settings for the wrong profile. Now tap Notifications under Game Center to see the primary switches. This is where you decide how intrusive alerts are. You can toggle off Allow Notifications to stop all Game Center alerts, or keep it on and deselect sounds, badges, or banners for a quieter experience. For more granularity, go back to Settings Notifications, pick an individual game, and turn off its notifications. This prevents game-specific invites or friend notifications while keeping other. Finish by restarting your device so the changes apply cleanly across system services. This often resolves lingering alerts. If notifications still appear, sign out of Game Center and sign back in to refresh server-side preferences. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb modes aren't inadvertently allowing certain app notifications with custom exceptions. If you continue to get alerts, confirm each game's in-app notification settings and check that your Apple ID is the same on all devices sharing Game Center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.